Hello, this is Aparna from RayDesign World Company. Today we will learn basic planning process for a bungalow design on a rectangular plot. Let us assume a plot of size 25 feet by 55 feet, around 1375 square feet. As per Vastu, the main entry of door needs to face east. So if the road is on the east side of the plot, then it is best. First, plan kitchen in ground floor in southeast corner of the plot. Since plot width is around 25 feet, so north and south size margins not required. Only you may leave around 3 feet near to kitchen for two-wheeler parking and window. Near to kitchen on the right side, plan drawing room, and on other side dining or family area with staircase. One common toilet on the north side, with cutout in slab for ventilation. Plan 2 bedrooms on the west side. Back side margin may be left around 5 feet. In the backside margin, also plan attached bathroom. Wind direction in India is from southwest to northeast direction. So backside bedroom's window will let the fresh air inside. First floor may be planned with one more kitchen. On first floor we will plan terrace in front and wash area at the backside. This will be used to dry clothes and utilities. 2 more bedrooms can be planned on first floor. Both the bathroom can have attached bathrooms. One of the bedroom may have big size bathroom and attached dress area. Staircase as usual will continue from ground floor to first floor. From first floor to top floor terrace. The bathrooms need to have continuous cutout till top floor for better ventilation. Top floor have staircase cabin. Above the staircase cabin slab, fix 800 liters water tank, 2 numbers. Also plan a 750 mm diameter cutout to fix air-propelled exhaust fan. This fan will allow the warm light air to come out. This will create an automatic airflow from ground floor windows. This airflow will make all the floors cooler. Also fix on the top cabin slab, glass bricks. This will allow natural light. Glass bricks are strong and safe. To get by email in PDF format planning as per your requirements, log on to www.raydesign.in.